Good morning, children. In the last video, I had explained you how there was industrial revolution which took place, and then the man developed vastly in fields like electricity, railways, telephones, vehicles, industries, electronics, etc., which led to a massive changes in human life. Now, what is pollution? The presence of substance or elements in the atmosphere or environment that are harmful and poisonous to life is known as pollution. Children, there are three most important elements for the substances of life on the earth. That is land, water, and air. Now we will see about water pollution. In the last video, I had explained you about water pollution, how the chemical infested water of industries release into rivers, streams, or land. Such water pollutes the river water, the groundwater, as well as the land on which it is thrown. As the water drains from the cities is released into rivers, lakes, serious problems of water pollution arise in cities also. Now here agriculture is also affected. Then diseases like cholera, jaundice, vomiting, etc. are spread by water pollution. Now what should we do to prevent water pollution? To prevent water pollution, dirty water from industries and gutters must be purified before it is released into rivers or streams. Now about air pollution. Now air is polluted by gases and smoke emitted by industries and vehicles. Due to deforestation on large scale also, the depletion of forest cover, the proportion of dust particles floating in the air has increased. This has led to the intense problem of global warming. Now, what are the preventions to be done? To prevent air pollution, rules are necessary for industries and vehicles, and these must be strictly implemented. Equipments which can filter smoke and poisonous gases should be developed and installed. Now today we will be doing about land pollution. Though land pollution is not easily visible, it is becoming increasingly evident in today's world. Water from industries and drains in urban areas often flows on the ground, thus polluting it. Solid industrial waste add to this. Non-degradable solid waste products like polythene, plastic bags, and other scrap and chemicals dumped on land in urban areas also cause land pollution. Now, more use of chemical fertilizer and insecticides increase farm produce also pollutes soil. Plastic bags and dirty industrial water are fatal for organisms, which make land fertile. Due to the destruction of these organisms, land becomes non-productive. Now, to prevent land pollution, purity of environment must be protected. No industries should be seen up on arable land. Another important remedies is use of non-conventional energy sources and introduction of green technology as well as recycle of or reuse waste product. The last is noise pollution. Noise created by heavy machines making intense sound in industries, noise made by vehicles and their horns, loudspeakers, and musical instruments played at high volume causes noise pollution. DJ bands, loudspeakers for canvassing, exploding crackers on large scale also cause noise pollution. Noise pollution leads to deafness. It has an adverse effect on mental and emotional health as well. Extremely loud noise is the cause of death in certain insects and organisms. To prevent noise pollution, loudspeakers, radios, TVs, and other musical instruments should be played at a low volume. Crackers should be avoided. Vehicles should be checked and serviced regularly. Parking facilities should be increased. Forestation should be done according around for factories, and vehicular sounds should be minimized by growing trees on both sides of the main road. Now, as per Mahatma Gandhi's view, water, land, and forest belong to the community. Everybody has equal right to them. Making them a commodity for sale is a moral sin. Water pollution holds the highest priority among the man-made problem. So children, it is our responsibility to prevent or reduce all types of pollution. Awareness and appropriate action is the need of the hour to save ourselves from the harmful effects of pollution. So, this is all about the chapter number 2, environmental pollution. Here we end the chapter. Thank you.